Hello there, all of you. Today, we are going to see some of the engineering extremes of the world. Yeah, you hear it right. We will check out some of the world's biggest construction. So let's get started. St. Peter's Basilica, or the Papal Basilica, is an Italian Renaissance church in Vatican City, the papal enclave within the city of Rome. Designed principally by Donato Baramanti, Michelangelo, Gian Lorenzo, St. Peter's is the most renowned work of architecture and is the largest church in the world. St. Peter's is regarded as the holiest Catholic shrines of the world and is the greatest of all the churches of Christendom. Large five-sided building in Arlington, County, Virginia, near Washington, D.C. that serves as the headquarters of the U.S. Department of Defense, including all three military services, Army, Navy and Air Force. Constructed during 1941 to 1943, the Pentagon was intended to consolidate the offices of the War Department, which had occupied 17 separate facilities throughout Washington. Although President Franklin Roosevelt initially favored a building without windows to protect it from potential air raids, criticized it as one of the most serious and worst attacks on the plan of Washington. The site selected was mostly a swampy wasteland whose only structure was small, obsolete Washington Airport. Donghae Bridge, otherwise known as East China Sea Bridge, is the bridge counted as one of the longest cross-sea bridges in the world. It was completed on December 10, 2005. It has a total length of 32.5 kilometers. Most of the bridge is low-level viaduct. There are also cable-stayed sections to allow for the passage of large ships, of span about 420 meters. The bridge has long and narrow speedway and does not allow vehicles that do not meet weight requirements. The standard width of the bridge is 31.5 meters. The most interesting fact about the bridge is that it is able to withstand an earthquake of 7 on the Richter scale. Jeddah Tower, or commonly known as Kingdom Tower, is a supertall skyscraper under construction on the north side of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is planned to be the world's first 1-kilometer high building. At about 1 kilometer, the tower would be the tallest structure in the world, standing 180 meters tall than Burj Khalifa, Dubai. On 2nd August it was publicly announced that construction was going to start soon, and the tower would take 63 months to complete. While the official construction estimate is over 5 years, others calculate that it will take significantly longer, over 7 years, based on the duration of Burj Khalifa's construction, which was over 6 years. The world's tallest statue is nearing completion in India. It is designed to be 182 meters, that is 600 feet, a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patil, a national hero in independence struggle in Gujarat state. The Spring Temple Buddha in China is currently the world's biggest statue at 128 meters. The Statue of Unity has been called, as costs more than $430 million and is seen as pet project of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The statue will be inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister on 31st October 2018. Once completed, the statue, which was been started in 2013, will be nearly twice of the Statue of Liberty.
I'ma ride it till it's over.